We are learning arithmetic progression exercise 1.2. In that question 3, in that third one we are going to learn. In the following APs, find the missing term. See, first term they have given, question number 3 we are in. They have given the first term, they have not given the second term, they have not given the third term, fourth term they have given. See here, we come to know that there is a value of A. If you found D, we can do any number of formats, but they have not given the D. Second term also they have not given. Suppose if they have given the second term, we can minus second term into minus 1 minus first term, so we can find the D value. So they have not given the second value also, so we can't do that. Third term they have not given, fourth term they have given. Let's see. First step we have to do is, whatever they have given we are going to mention, that is A1 is equals to 5, and the fourth term, that is A4, is 9 into 1 by 2. 9 into 1 by 2 I am writing like this. 9 into 1 by 2 I am going to write it as 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. I am going to write like this, 19 by 2. Denominator method. Now nth term of the AP series I am going to write the formula. Okay. Meanwhile, I have to find the value of A2. Meanwhile, I have to find the value of A3. They have given this one. We have to find A2. We have to find A3. They have given the fourth term as 9 into 1 by 2. So now I am going to write this 9 into 1 by 2 as 19 by 2. Now I am going to put the formula, that is AP series AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now I am going to assign the value A4. So A4, we know that A4 is equals to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So A4 value we already they have given is 19 by 2. Now I am going to assign the value as 19 by 2. By 2 is equals to A plus 4 minus 1 becomes 3D. A value as given is 5. Okay. 19 by 2 is equals to 5 plus 3D. Now 19 by 2, so this plus 5 I am taking into the left hand side, so it becomes minus 5 is equals to 3D. 19 by 2 minus 5, so by taking LCM it becomes 2. So here nothing means 1 we have to consider, so 1 into 2, 2 minus 5 into 2, 10, minus 10. So 19 minus 10 is becomes 9 by 2. See here, so 9 by 2 is equals to 3D. Finally, so these 3 come to the denominator, so we can like this, 9 by 2 is equals to 3D. Now these 3 it becomes down, 9 into 3 into 2 is equals to D. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So now 3 by 2, the D value is 3 by 2. Now A2 we know that A plus D, that is A value we know 5 and D value we found that 3 plus 2. So answer for the A2 is 13 by 2. D value we found and A2 value we found, A3 value like this. A3 means A plus 2D. A value is 5 plus 2. D value is 3 by 2. So after solving, 5 plus 6 by 2 and becomes 16 by 2. So the value is 8. So we got the answer, that is A2 as 13 by 2 and A3 as 8 and the remaining. Therefore missing terms are 13 by 2 and 8 respectively.